Yes, well, the pole and line and troll fishing method targets fish that live on the surface. And the only tuna that really live on the surface, the only albacore tuna that live on the surface, are migratory young fish that are still migrating all over the ocean to find rich forage fish to feast on. These younger fish need a lot of feed for their body weight growth. Fish will migrate like that for about 5 years. After 5 years, they recruit to the brood class, and then they actually live somewhere very specific in the central western Pacific, somewhere between Hawaii and Philippines. There's an area where old albacore tuna live. They don't live out here off the coast, and those live in deeper water, and they cannot be caught actually with these surface pole methods because they're way submerged, and they're pretty inactive. They don't really have that growth going on anymore, but they're very large fish, and they live about 10-12 years. And so when you have a fish that averages maybe 4 years old caught in the North Pacific, for example off the coast of Oregon, and you compare the mercury content of that fish to an 8-year-old fish that's caught from the broodstock in the longline deep water fishing fishery, the one fish is twice as old as the other. And so it's logical that the mercury content of the older fish is higher through bioaccumulation uptake of mercury through feeding. And that's really all it is how many years has this animal fed in the ocean.